Welcome you all. I am D. Suryakala, working as Assistant Professor in Srimuthukumaran Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about the subject Embedded Systems and IoT. First, we are going to see about the topic addressing mode. What is addressing mode? By definition, the addressing mode is the which operands are represented in an instruction is called addressing mode. There are 5 types of addressing mode in 8051 microcontroller. First one is the immediate addressing mode. Next, register addressing mode. Third one is the direct addressing mode and register indirect addressing mode. Last is the indexed addressing mode. Let's see one by one. Immediate addressing mode. In this immediate addressing mode, the data will be specified directly in the source operand. For example, move A, #04H. Here, the data is 04H will be moved to the accumulator register. Next is the register addressing mode. In this mode, both the source and destination operands are registers. Example, move A, R0. Here, A and R0 are the registers. Direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, address of the data is specified in either source operand or destination operand. Example, move R2, 04. Here, 04 is the data which is stored in the memory location 04H, which can be moved to the register R2. Register indirect addressing mode. The name is suggested the address of the memory location which contains the data is specified by the register. For example, move A at R0. Here R0 register is pointed in the location 80H. The value is the 0E. In 0E, data is moved to the register A. Indexed addressing mode. The effective address is formed by summing up the base register and the accumulator. The destination register will be always the A register. Example, move C A, at A plus or C. Here, accumulator plus program counter will be added. Then the address of the added new location will be moved to the accumulator. Next, we are going to see about the instructions. In 8051, there are 225 instructions are there. There are 5 types of instruction groups. First one is the arithmetic instruction, and second one is the logical instruction, third data transfer instruction, fourth one is the boolean instruction, and final branching instructions. First, arithmetic instruction. There are several arithmetic instructions are in 8051 microcontroller. First one is the addition operation. Add is the instruction we are used for the addition. In add, we are used for the accumulator and the second operands are added. In next is the add C. In this, we can use accumulator and the second operands is added with the previous value of the carry flag. Examples, clear C. We can use this instruction for the clearing carry flag. Move A, 44H. Move R2, A. These are all the examples of addition registers. Next is the decimal adjust the accumulator. It's represented as DA. Format the accumulator into a proper 2-digit paxed BCD number. We can use the instruction DA. And next instruction is the sub B. You can use this for subtraction with borrow. Next is the INC. It represents the increment the operand by 1. Next is the DEC. Decrement the operand by 1. And mul AB is example of multiply A and B operands, and the DAV AB is the example instruction of the divide A and B operands. Next is the logical operands. AND or XOR operations are done using this instructions. ANL is an instruction is used for the AND operation, and ORL is used for the OR instructions, and XORL is used for the exclusive OR operation, and CPL is the complementary, or CLR is the clear instructions. Next, RL is the rotate the accumulator. There are 4 types of rotate instructions. There are 2, RL and RR. RL is the rotate left, RR is rotate right without the carry. And next, RLC and RRC is the rotate left with carry, rotate right with carry. And the next instruction is the swap A. You can swap the upper and lower nibbles of the accumulator. Next is the data transfer instructions. The data transfer instructions are represented as MOV. There are several examples for the data transfer instruction. Some examples are given here. Move A, Rn. Here Rn register is data is moved to the accumulator. Move A, direct means direct address will be given. That address data will be moved to the register A. Like that, we are giving some examples for the data transfer instructions. Next, these are all the some examples of the data transfer instruction. 1-bit data transfer involves the carry flag. Move C is the move code byte. Move X is the data transfer between the accumulator and the byte from external data memory. Next, push and pops are the data transfer instructions. These instructions are used for the stack. Next, exchange is represented as XCH. Another example is XCHD. Next instruction is the Boolean operations. This group of instruction is associated with the single bit operations of 8051. This group allows multiplying the individual bits of bit addressable register and memory locations as well as carry flag. This group includes set, clear or complement, move, conditional jumps. Boolean operations are clear is represented as CLR, and for set the bit we can use the instruction as set B. CPL is the complement a bit. Next, Boolean operations are ORL and the ANL, or AND operations with carry flag. JC is represented as jump, and JNC is used for representing the jump with carry flag. JB is also used for the jump to a relative address with a bit. B represents the bit. 8051 provides 4 different types of unconditional jump instructions. Example, short jump, long jump, absolute jump and indirect jump. There are 2 forms of call instructions. They are absolute call is represented as A call, long call is represented as L call. There are 2 types of return instructions: return from subroutine, return from ISV. Thank you.